Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming policy and kiosk location so nothing blocks you later. Once at the kiosk, open the capsule and inspect seals. Make sure your label fits the lid. You act now. Arrange contents by priority, placing fragile items in padding metallic items separate to avoid scratching. Keep your ID and boarding pass handy for verification. Once done, close the capsule loosely to test fit, then tighten just enough to engage the tamper evidence mechanism. Before moving, you now focus on security and record keeping. First, apply the tamper evidence seal and write its ID on your manifest so you can verify later. Next, use the kiosk tablet to scan the seal barcode and type the item list. Be concise but specific to avoid disputes. Make sure to attach the printed receipt to your documentation and request a digital confirmation to your email. Once registered, double-check that the seal ID on screen matches the physical seal before you move the capsule to the drop point. You finish by placing the capsule into the designated drop zone while an attendant verifies the seal and receipt. Once they scan the final confirmation, make sure your email shows the transaction ID and take a photo of the drop for backup. If the kiosk or staff report a mismatch in seal ID or scan failure, do not walk away. Retain the capsule and ask for a supervisor immediately, noting the time and names. This protects you and speeds a quick resolution if anything went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.